Yeah, but your mic is not here. But you are there in our acha, acha, now you are speaking how? I think you are using we are using our Google Sound, whereas here it is recording. Now speak. No, are you able to see me? 1 minute. Ikkada my picture will not come because entukante akkada poyindi kada antike raledu. 1 minute. I will close this. Ante akkada vastunnanu. Akkada vastundi. No problem. So now I was trying to tell you about it is recording now. Good. So now first and foremost thing is, see, when you go for, I will take about 10 minutes more. So for the business development officers, first and foremost question they will ask is about introduction about you, wherein you have to highlight about the achievements made by you in your present assignment. In your present assignment, whatever achievements you have made, you have to mention that one. And apart from that, then you'll have to tell about your strengths and also how you are suitable for this post, because this is a marketing oriented post. And what qualities do you have that are suitable for a marketing officer? For a marketing officer, whatever qualities are required, those things you have to tell them. And after you are telling about it, they can ask you some questions regarding your performance in your present branch, or they can ask you details about your present bank also. Which bank are you working? Who is the chairman of that? What is the deposit? What is the advances? So why do you want to shift from that bank to this bank? This type of questions they will ask, and you be ready for answering those questions. And after that, they will ask you what is the job role of a business development officer. I think they have also given it in their in their advertisement itself, is it not? They have given it. Daniki, you go through that thoroughly and try to tell about that. Then they will ask you, how will you increase our deposit portfolio? How will you increase our advance portfolio? So first you have to go through Bank of Maharashtra website and find out what are their different loan products, what are their deposit products. Out of them, choose 2 or 3 and be prepared to know about full details about them. What are the features of them? What are the terms and conditions about them? For example, if you see, say, personal loan, how will you increase personal loan? I will try to contact the nearby big offices where people are working in more than 100 numbers and all that, and then try to get their details of their salaries, ask them to open their salary account, and then I will arrange to get the details of their income tax details and salary slip, etc. Then consider personal loan. Regarding car loan, I will adopt the same strategy, but one thing is, apart from that, I will also contact the local car dealers to get the addresses of people. In the case of housing loan, I will contact the nearby construction agents or contractors to find out who are all the people who are going to buy, get their addresses, then through them afterwards fulfill all the KYC formalities, then get the application form filled in, and then consider the loan application. So these are the ways in which we can increase the personal housing loan, then personal loan, and also say the car loan. Similarly, in the case of, say, corporate loans, I will try to get new contacts through social website contacts and try to develop a relationship with them and try to bring their accounts to us, telling them the salient features of our bank's accounts, rate of interest concessions, etc. And then try to increase the sales. Okay. This is how you have to tell. I have given you today marketing material. I have also given you Bank of Maharashtra website. You go through and prepare, and then go with full details as a very confident person. అర్థమైందా? వెరీ గుడ్. బెస్ట్ విషెస్. ఇది ఇప్పుడు రికార్డ్ అయిపోయింది, 10 minutes రికార్డింగ్. ఇది నేను ఐ విల్ పోస్ట్ ఇట్, సో యూ కెన్ ఆల్సో సీ దట్ అండ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్. ఓకే, ఇంకా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉందా మీకు? రైట్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఫస్ట్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఆర్ సెకండ్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ? This is your first interview or second interview? No, with me, this is the first, na? అంటే సెకండ్ ఎప్పుడు తీసుకుంటారు? ఏ రోజు మీకు ఇంటర్వ్యూ? అంటే థర్డ్ మీరు ఎక్కడ ఉంటున్నారు? Which date we are going? Which date you are going to? Oh, 1st October you are going to, you are going to your native place. Then second also you will be in your native place, correct? Acha, native place only. Third. అంటే థర్డ్ 5 o'clock వేస్తున్నామా ఈవినింగ్? థర్డ్ 5 PM. కానీ మీరు క్యాన్సిల్ చేయకూడదు. ఓకే, ఐ హావ్ నోటెడ్ 5 PM. మీరు ప్లీజ్ సెండ్ అ మెసేజ్ టు మీ త్రూ యువర్ వాట్సాప్ నంబర్ కన్ఫర్మింగ్ అబౌట్ దిస్. ఓకే. What do you want? You want? No, ఈ వీడియో ఇప్పుడు రికార్డ్ అయిపోయింది. Now it is recorded. No problem. Thank you. I will send it. I will post it in our YouTube itself so that others can also see. What? Okay, thank you.